ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రైతుల పోరాటానికి పూర్తి మద్దతు తెలిపారు పర్యావరణ సామాజిక కార్యకర్త మేధా పాట్కర్. ఢిల్లీలో తనను కలిసిన నవ్యాంధ్ర రైతులతో మాట్లాడారు.
ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రాంత రాజధాని రైతుల సమస్యలపై గలం విప్పేందుకు ప్రముఖ పర్యావరణవేత్త మేధా పాట్కర్ సిద్ధమయ్యారు. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు. మేడం, యు ఆర్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లైట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మర్స్ ఇన్ ద ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ న్యూ క్యాపిటల్. Government is acquiring the fertile lands. Farmers is opposing, but government is adamant. What is your reaction?
Absolutely unjust. It is also unjustifiable because the multiple crop land, up to thousands of acres out of the 57,000 acres that Chandrababu Naidu says he requires for the capital, belongs to farmers, and it is their right to give or not to give. Also, there is an option available. Why not go for the barren land? They want to build buildings. They don't want to grow crops for the capital. So it is very clear that they have not thought of the social and environmental impacts at all, nor of the economics of the farmers, because the farmers, they are intimidating and taking over the land in the name of private purchase or consent, but without paying money, they are only assuring that certain percentage of land in a developed form will be given back to them. What will it be like? The people will have no regular source of livelihood, and taking away that large chunk of land and giving back a small chunk of plot, even if in the urbanized area, which also will not remain in the hands of the farmers forever, is cheating, and that is what they have been doing. I think the Land Acquisition Act 2013 also talks about the increased compensation, but even that they are not giving. And in any case, there should not be diversion of agricultural land, and the best agricultural land, the multiple crop or single crop agricultural land for the non-agricultural purposes, as has been happening over last few decades. Within one decade, 150 lakh hectares of agricultural land got converted to non-agricultural land. This is against the principle of food security, and so the farmers are fighting the battles. They are holding on to their land. They don't want to give land, and without their consent, no force and no intimidation and no land pulling kind of thing through a new act that they say that they have should be used, because the legitimation of that action of theirs cannot come through an act which is anti-people.